I am on my way to get some rare, cold hardy citrus trees from Stan Mckenzie. Now, I've gotten a bunch from him already in the past, but right now I need to get the big stuff. I need to get the big trees that are going to be fruiting possibly this year and even next year. The big stuff. I need to step up my game and stop being a wussy. Get the big trees. You know what I'm saying? So it's a little bit of a drive from here to there, but that's all right. We got this. Got some good music, nice day, and I'm thinking about all the cool trees that I'm going to be loading this truck up with here in a second. So. Look at that. Ugh. Stan Mckenzie's nursery. He's helping another customer right now. But look at this. Little citrus buds. This is a big old citrus tree right here. And we'll check out some stuff. He's got some bananas wrapped up over here. Stan Mckenzie's greenhouse. Look at all those little projects he's got going on. Oh yeah. Nice lemons. Here is the Mexicola. That is the avocado. I'm hopefully gonna have at least a few of them. Oh, citrus trees. This is what I've got so far. I think there's 20, about 20. Yeah, 20. Exactly 20. Whew. Nippon orange quad. Sudachi, which is like a yuzu. More Sudachi. Nippon. Sudachi. These are all Thomasville's citrange quads. And look at this, guys. We got little fruits full of flowers. Yeah. Look at all this new growth from the Sudachis. I've always wanted Sudachi. I've bought seeds like 15 years ago and tried to grow them from seed. And they just never germinated. That's the Nippon orange quad. I got 2 fukushus. And then the really rare one, a citramon, which is a lemon and a wild citrus, a trifoliate. So this is like this is a rare one. Stan's got one sitting over there. I've been wanting one for so long. And then that's $8.52. Jeez Louise. I think I got problems. Yeah, I think I got some problems.